Hey guys, I'm off to Cebu for Stock Smarts there over the weekend. So if you are from the area and you've enrolled, I'm excited to see you, excited to meet you. I hope that whatever we talk about in terms of technical analysis will help you in your trades as well. But before that, before I board, I'd like to take the opportunity to talk about VUL. A lot of you asked a lot of questions about the stock. What triggered it? What caused it to move up? Was there anything significant? Was there something changing? You have to understand the context of how I explain things. It's basically from a technical analysis standpoint, so meaning everything that we need to know is found from the charts. Everything we need to know is based on what the charts would dictate. So from a technical analysis standpoint, here's what we see. Number one, whatever movement that we have there came from the initial breakout of 0.86. I repeat, whatever movement that you're seeing is brought about by its initial breakout from 0.86. Then the secondary breakout came from the breakout from 1 peso per share. With that, you now have two breakouts. For those who attended our Stock Smart sessions, please remember that the more resistances it breaks, the larger the bullish move is, stronger the possibility that it will develop into an uptrend, and also the larger the conviction that there's more buyers there. So you have the resistances being broken. Number two, volumes are relatively, for the past 2 days, relatively higher. So what this does is it adds a shrouded layer of conviction. Again, volume shows you how much people are participating in the stock. The higher the volume, the better it is. So that's what we have right now for VUL. Larger than normal volume, breakout from the 0.85 and the 1 peso resistance, which caused it to go higher. Now, yesterday, for those who were watching the stock moved up, and then intraday it flirted around 1.2. One of the reasons why after going around 1.2 it started to retrace downward was there was another resistance close to 1.2. So what do I mean by this? As stocks approach resistances, selling normally occurs. VUL hit 1.2, selling occurred intraday. It started to retrace downward. So how do you break this down even further? This breakout, this upward movement will still be legit as long as VUL stays above 1. If VUL fails to stay above 1, you are a quick trader, you may now take profits. I repeat, VUL fails to stay above 1, you may now take profits for the stock. If it pushes up again, goes close to around 1.2, fails to break out of 1.2, you are a quick trader as well. You may also take your profit. So two take profit signals for VUL. Number one is if it fails to hold 1 or it goes down, breaks down from 1, you may take profits. If it goes above again and bounces above 1 and stays above 1 but goes to 1.2, as it goes to 1.2, it fails to break out of 1.2, you may take profits as well. If it breaks out of 1.2 though, please hold on to your positions. The next target price will bring it to around 1.7, 1.75. So that's a pretty huge upside from the breakout of 1. From the breakout of 1, it's almost a 75 to 79% upside. If it breaks out of 1.2, the potential upside will be around 49%. So exciting times. MACD and other price and momentum oscillators are showing a change in direction upward for the stock. So which is a good premise for a lot of quick traders, because you know that movement is up, you know that the direction is up, buyers are in control. Is it strong enough to say that it's in an uptrend yet? Not yet. So this is just merely a trade for people who are doing quick trades. So that's it for now. Schedule of events: Cebu this weekend, Korea April 22, Singapore May 2 to 6. Then we have ICON, the largest investment conference in the country, May 26. Then we have Stock Smarts Manila for the 3 weekends of June, and also Stock Smarts Melbourne June 9 to 11. So that's it. I hope videos like this help you, and I'll be posting more of your stocks by request throughout the weekend. I'll try to do it within Cebu. So that's it for now. I think I'm boarding in the next 20 to 25 minutes. Stay tuned. No, I'll be in Mactan Airport in Megawide. I'll be interviewing the people, I guess, holding the terminal there. So and then how it affects the stock, how the new Mactan Airport will also impact Megawide as a whole and as a company, as a stock. So that's it for now. Hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. Marvin Germo from the Terminal 2. See you all again soon.